Hi, in this video tutorial I will be demonstrating how to use the EzzyBills phone app. First, go to the App Store and search up EzzyBills. Then download the app. Once it is downloaded, open it up. Now you can either sign in by typing in your username and password, or you can log in with your QR code. I will show you how to log in with your QR code. Simply press the button, go to your web portal of your account and press the settings and scroll down to the QR code, which can be found here. Now, as you can see, it has automatically signed you into your account. This is a very efficient way of logging in. Now you're ready to scan a receipt, so press the Scan Now button and have your receipt ready, preferably on a dark background so the receipt is easier to pick up, and just press the blue button. As you can see, it has been uploaded successfully to your account. Now you can also add a note. So if you press the pencil at the top right corner, you can add a note and press the X, and now take another photo of the receipt and the note will be added to this receipt successfully. Now if you go to your web portal, you'll be able to see the invoices, the receipts you just had taken a photo of. This one has already been successfully exported and this one's still in progress. Now this one, we had a note on it, so if you look at the log, you'll be able to see that note. And here's the note right here, receipts. Now I want to show you all the functionalities within your settings. Now you have a few options you can experiment with, such as review receipts. Now I'm going to demonstrate what this does. So we're going to go back and scan an invoice. So here's your receipt again. Press the button. Now if you wait a second, it will come up with a review of it. Now this is really helpful if you want to change a few things, add a supplier, etc. Here you go, so you can change the supplier, invoice number, total and tax. And if you're happy with that, simply press the submit button. Now the data has been submitted. Now you can also choose to press this, which allows for multi-page receipts. Now, usually you won't use this, but if you do have a multi-page invoice, you can turn this on. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. So I'm getting my multi-page receipt. Press Scan Now again. So you take a photo of your first invoice, press the button, then you take a photo of your second invoice, press the button, and then finally press the tick, and that will be processed. So that has been submitted. Now you also have the option of edge detection. You can also add accounts if you have multiple accounts. This is good because it allows you to easily switch between accounts. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to add an account using a QR code. So mine's here ready to go. And here I've logged into my other account. So if I go to settings, I've got the one account here, app test 2, and one account here, app test 1. So now I can easily connect to either one of them by simply pressing the connect button. So I'm going to connect back to app test 2. So now I'm connected to that. Another field you can use in your setting is the alias name. Generally, it is kept blank. However, there are two cases where you will need to use it. One case is to scan receipts that have already been paid by your business credit card. and you want the receipt to go into your accounting software as a spend money transaction, not as an unpaid bill. Our second use case is for employee expense claim. In both cases, the alias must be pre-set up on the EzzyBills web portal in your account settings, which I can show you here. As you can see, I have set up two aliases here. The first alias, NAB, is used for the first case where you upload receipts as spend money transactions. And the second alias here, Nancy, is used for employee expense claim, which was the second case. Say I am using my company credit card. I will add my alias name as the NAB one. And if you go back to the main screen, you can see on the top of the screen, NAB is in brackets. In the other case, I'm an employee named Nancy, so I changed my alias name to Nancy. Then I go back to the main screen, and you can see on the top of the screen once again, Nancy is in brackets. So now I can scan my travel receipts, for example. Now, to make it easier to use these aliases, you can add an account twice. So for example, I can have app test 2, that account, twice, and have Nancy on one of the accounts and NAB on the other account. So I'll show you here. So you've got one account here, app test 2, Nancy. So that's the first account. So I'm going to add the account again using the QR code. If I scroll down on my settings, here's a QR code, and it's logged into that account. And if you go back to settings, you can see app test 2 once again. So now there's 2 of the same account. And so here I can add the alias name NAB. And so now you have Nancy in your account and NAB. That concludes this video tutorial. Thank you for listening.